Welcome to the Inspiration Hub. We are here today, guys, in a new interview. This time is going to be a virtual interview with one of the great leaders that it's changing and challenging the status quo of a very traditional industry, the health industry. Today, we have with all of us Ana Gómez. Ana Gómez is the Deputy Management Leader of University Hospital of La Paz, and she's leading different strategic projects around innovation, digital transformation, and also building like the hub city in Madrid. And I can't wait to meet her. Come to the Inspiration Hub and come with me. Let's see the interview with Ana Gómez.